Welcome to our video comparing two popular portable laundry appliances, the Comfee portable washing machine and the Euhomy portable clothes dryer. Both products are designed for space-constrained living, making them ideal for apartments, RVs, and dorms. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and user feedback to help you make an informed choice. The Comfee portable washing machine serves as a compact washing solution, offering 5 wash cycles for various fabric types. In contrast, the Euhomy portable clothes dryer is designed to efficiently dry clothes with multiple drying modes, making it essential for completing the laundry process. While both appliances are portable, they serve distinct purposes in the laundry routine. When it comes to capacity, the Euhomy dryer offers a larger space at 1.5 cubic feet, allowing for more laundry to be dried at once. On the other hand, the Comfee washing machine has a smaller capacity of 0.9 cubic feet, which is suitable for smaller loads. This difference in capacity can significantly affect the efficiency of your laundry routine, especially in households with higher laundry demands. The Comfee features a top-load design, which allows for easy loading and unloading of laundry. In contrast, the Euhomy has a front-load design, which not only saves space, but also allows users to monitor the drying process through its transparent door. Each design has its advantages, depending on user preference and space constraints. In conclusion, both the Comfee portable washing machine and the Euhomy portable clothes dryer offer unique benefits tailored for small living spaces. Your choice will depend on your specific laundry needs, whether you prioritize washing capabilities or drying efficiency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.